Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing this morning?
I'm gonna make a potion for us.
What kind of potion?
And I'm gonna share. We're gonna share with other people what we've been doing.
So what is potion? Okay.
I don't know. It's just when you know this time of year, people getting sick. I know that we were sick last month, and I made a potion that just kind of was like really soothing. It just kind of feels really good to drink.
Okay.
And it might have some medicinal purposes. I don't know, but we'll just share our little our recipe. And maybe somebody else might like to try it.
Yeah, I like it, this taste.
Yeah, it is kind of tasty. So what I got is a little bit of olive oil, some lemon juice, some honey, and some cinnamon. So what I do is, the main ingredient is any kind of lemon juice. I think like real lemon, the brand real lemon, or just generic lemon juice like we have here. So for a nice big cup, I use like, it may seem a little crazy.
Ooh.
I'm gonna say for me, about half a cup.
Oh my, I can't.
For a small cup.
Small cup.
This is for a big cup, and then for yours, this one here, I'm gonna put in about a quarter cup. Yeah, it's about a quarter cup. It's about a half a cup, or a quarter cup in a small cup, or in a larger mug, maybe about a half a cup. It's a lot. It's really.
It's a lot.
It's like really sour.
Yeah, we bought a lot of lemon juice.
A lot of lemon juice. We bought bottles of this.
Yeah, every week, right?
Yeah. So then also, what I'm going to do here is
honey?
Probably for like the half a cup of lemon juice, probably about 2 tablespoons of just honey. So.
Okay, got it. Ooh.
Because that's the secret. If you don't put honey in it,
cannot drink.
It's
too
just
sour.
Too sour. Yeah, I'd say about 2 tablespoons for about a half a cup, and then about a good tablespoon for like a quarter cup of lemon juice. There's no real. I usually make it without even measuring anything. I just kind of like dump everything in there without even measuring it.
How often do you take it? Like once a day or 2 times a day?
Once a day.
Once a day?
And then after you drink it, it has such a nice feeling in your chest.
Put on somewhere. Yeah, thank you. I don't want to mess.
It makes you, I don't know, it just makes you feel like your lungs are like, it just makes them feel like you can breathe really nice.
Okay, good.
And then another thing that I haven't been doing, but I learned can be really kind of good for you, healthy for you, is just a little bit of
olive oil?
Olive oil. I'm going to say like it's about a teaspoon, not even. Just
tiny bit.
Just a tiny bit, just a few drops. That's like a teaspoon there. Half a teaspoon for this one because it's smaller. Just because olive oil is good for you, doesn't really do anything for the flavor or anything. Right, you got that. And then got some hot water going here. And then just a dash of powdered cinnamon. I put a stick.
Which do you like?
A stick, and it didn't really do anything.
No, okay.
The powder. Because it doesn't even really dissolve. It just kind of, you just barely taste it. It has like that hot peppery taste, So then we got our hot water here.
Hot water.
Boiling hot water. It's ready to go.
Okay.
And then nice and hot.
Ooh.
So that's about, like a small mug. This is like a cup. That's about over 2 cups. And if it's too sour, you just add a little more honey. And another thing you can do is, and Masako does, is she takes ginger.
Yes.
And you peel it. You real ginger. You peel it, Are you what? Yeah, you peel.
No, I
it.
take out
You take the skin off,
and
you
then
grate it.
grate it.
You grate it into a boiling water.
Yeah,
and
not
let-
kind of simmer because
let it
boiling
simmer.
is not so good. Yeah.
So make it like a tea.
Tea.
And then you put that. Oh,
Yeah.
that is killer. That is really good. But another thing you could do is add a little bit of.
Oh no, I don't need it.
You could add a little bit of. I don't like to drink, so I don't drink. So a little bit of.
What is that? It's just.
Yeah, you could use some whiskey. Or
Whiskey.
some. This is rum, but.
Yeah.
I think anything like that, a little bit of that too. Couple.
I guess
teaspoons.
nighttime will be great, but
At
today's.
nighttime, I feel like NyQuil. But to me, it almost tastes like over-the-counter medicine.
Oh,
but
good.
but
You
good,
like
but
it.
nice.
Nice, yeah.
You know, like over-the-counter medicine almost tastes like artificial. This this is like the real thing.
Okay, good. Thank you for
Who knows?
showing.
But yeah, try it.
Try it.
It's really nice. It's really soothing.
Okay. Thank you. Ooh, looks like I can say this is a really portion because color is.
Yeah, it doesn't look really great.
I know, but it's tasty. I tasted it before. It's easy to drink and very.
Well, it's the secret's the honey. If you don't have the honey, there's no way you can drink
No, I
this.
guess secret is olive oil too.
Well, yeah,
Maybe
gives a little more
more kind of
kick.
smooth
Yeah.
to throat.
throat. Mm.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, thanks for watching.
You're very welcome.
Hey. So now we drink it.
Can I try? Oh,
It's really sour, huh?
sour.
But it's not bad, huh? It's pretty tasty.
Tasty, but it's very sour. I don't like much sour.
Yeah, it's really good, huh?